In front of me is a VIVO Y72, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, simply navigate to your settings, scroll all the way down to System, Reset Options, and then select Delete All Data, Factory Reset. This will provide you with the information that performing this will remove basically all the data from the device. So you have a list of things that it removes. More importantly, it removes things like photos, music, and user data. So if there is anything of that sort that you'd like to keep, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done so, or you just simply don't want to, then click on Erase All Data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it. As you can see, I do have a pattern. And from there, select Erase All Data once more, and this will begin the process. Now this will take about a couple minutes, and once it's finished, you should then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.